What is a white hat hackers? White hat hackers are also skilled at the breaking into the networks and exposing vulnerabilities in the computer system of major retailers, government agencies, healthcare providers, and corporations. But these hackers use their powers for good rather than evil. Also known as ethical hackers, white hat hackers may be paid employees or contractors working for companies as security experts who attempt to find security holes through hacking. There are a lot of white hat hackers working to help protect the companies and the government. Charlie Muller is a very good example. He earned his hacking credentials by finding vulnerabilities in Apple. He has worked as a white hat hacker for the US National Security Agency too.